On January 6, 2025, during a routine patrol, Arkansas police officers noticed a Toyota pickup make a traffic violation after leaving a storage facility. What started as a simple traffic stop quickly took a turn when K9 Mick was brought in to assist. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
They're stopped with no blinker, no turn signal, DC.
I got him.
He should be good. They're leaving now anyway.
Yeah,
we're good. Thanks, Hunter. Y'all good?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, can somebody get behind them and pull them over?
Yep, I got him.
No, we're there.
Alright.
I got behind the vehicle. The North Street going towards college. Or college.
Somebody's got him.
40 PD traffic stop. Hey, how's it going? Hey, boy, Iverson, now, please. Hey, you didn't use your blinker back there at the stop sign. No.
Okay, so you want my license?
Yes, ma'am. Do you have insurance?
Yes.
Okay, let me see your insurance, too.
You guys pour through the parts and things. You need to know that.
I'll see if I can confirm it on the computer, okay? If I can't confirm it on the computer,
Well, I can call and get a picture.
sure, yeah, you can do that. I'm just saying I'll try and confirm it on the computer. If I can't confirm it on the computer, then we'll have to have like a picture of it. We'll have to find it in here, okay? All right. You want to call him back?
Who is it?
It's
Who's the passenger?
I don't recognize him.
Yeah, we can see if she didn't know the search or.
Well, she already said like you guys have torn through it so many times.
No, she should be used to it then.
Yeah, so.
We can get him out. Hey, Miss Tammy, care to pop out here for me? What are you so let down for?
Huh?
What are you so let down for?
Let down? I'm irritated, not let down.
Irritated.
Freezing.
A little bit chilly.
Yep.
You want to get him out?
You can talk to Morel.
You have anything on you?
I mean, I have stuff in my pockets.
What do you have in your pockets?
Cigarette, a lighter, chapstick. Cigarettes, lighter, and chapstick.
Yeah, just getting right back there.
car, man.
We're about to run my dog around it.
Why?
Because we can.
Okay.
Alright, dude. Getting cold.
You got an idea, anybody?
Freezing, man.
Here you go, Emil. Run Mick around it real quick.
Shows insurance, you don't even want one.
Yeah.
Damn, 3 cars, holy shit. Special. Right on. It's been a minute since that happened.
No, make it boy.
So I was pulling out a Dollar General back here whenever he stopped you. So I just came around the building and everybody else showed up.
Oh, 4 cars. Holy 5?
Yes! Oh, yes! Oh, good boy! Yeah, good boy. Good to search.
Passenger side.
It doesn't matter the side it alerts on because the wind's blowing that way. Oh, yes, good boy. Oh, yes, good boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, you take a look real quick, okay?
Yeah. We got the whole car anyways. Have you searched him? He's on a search waiver.
Yeah.
He's on a search waiver too.
Huh? He's on a search waiver?
Yeah. You got anything on you at all? Alright. Let me just check real quick. Here, turn around, face that way. That way we don't have to step off, alright? Do you have anything that's going to stick me, poke me, anything like that?
No.
I mean, I saw you getting cigarettes.
Yeah.
Lighter. Chapstick or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels like a chapstick. Alright. Yeah, you need it in this weather. Alright.
A torch with a marijuana leaf on the side of it is a good indicator that maybe you have some paraphernalia.
Dispatch 40, are y'all 10-4?
We're at 10-4, 10-6, vehicle search.
You gotta call my PO.
As soon as his name gets ran, he gets an email.
Oh, you're good.
Who is your PO?
You know what I'm supposed to be doing. Yeah.
Who's your PO?
Garrett.
Garrett?
Yeah.
That is a vibrator. Can you say? You got your gloves on? Yes. I think that's wax in the scene. What? THC 76.29, terps 2.8.
What's that? That looks like a gun.
Is that a pistol?
No, it's a heat gun, a torch gun. I don't know. Tamara, do you have a storage unit over there? Is that where you pulled out of?
Yeah. I just came for family Christmas with my kids.
We got a storage unit there? Which storage unit is yours?
It's over there. The one over there.
Yeah, which one?
How is that relevant to a traffic stop?
Well, you did pull out of a storage unit at dark. How is that
I
not?
just came from family Christmas. I had all 3 kids' Christmas gifts and backpacks and pillows and blankets in my truck.
Gotcha.
And I'm going to pick up 2 people to take them out of town. So,
Who's the 2 people?
2 friends of mine.
2 friends of yours? Anything?
A little wax.
Wax?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Well, I'll take a jet for it then.
Just something in the honest.
Just this?
Yep, just a little bit.
THC, yeah. Is he valid or?
He's on a search waiver. Other than that, he was good.
But is he valid?
Hey, has he got a driver's license?
I don't know if he's valid or not.
Can someone confirm that if he does or doesn't?
Yeah.
Well, Tamara, is this yours?
What?
Is over there in your possession?
Right.
I guess it is.
Yeah, that would be, I guess, my sister. Yeah.
What else is in it?
What do you mean? What
There's a
else is
blue
in it?
bag. There's a baggie in it.
I don't know. It's my sister's container. I don't know.
What's that?
I don't know.
Well, you're gonna go to jail. Still quit.
What? I was giving
Turn
you,
around.
I was giving
Turn
you
around.
his jacket.
1 second.
This is,
Too bad getting you out, okay?
huh?
Too bad getting you out.
I'm trying not to. You're,
Okay, I've had so many shoulder surgeries, so I don't really move certain ways.
well, I was moving your jacket. That way it's more comfortable for you. You said he's valid?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Tamara, you gonna have anything illegal on you before we go into the
No,
jail?
I don't have anything illegal on me.
I just don't want you getting in any more trouble.
I mean, I have
You want me to just take the phone?
I know because I need it.
She'll need it to get out.
That's right.
Someone come pick her up.
I know. I need to give you Randy's number.
Yeah, she gotta give me a number. The boss.
You can have my phone, please.
Well, we'll just take it to the jail.
Well, I need to get a number.
I need
out
to
of
give him a number
It's,
out of
if
it.
it's on you, it goes with you.
I need to give him a number out of it.
Okay. He can stop by there and you can give him a number.
How does that work? I'll be.
Just said it's fine to get a phone number.
Yep.
Well,
That's bogus. I need my ID back, by the way.
Yep, I got you.
So I'm free to go?
Yeah, you're good to go. Yeah.
All right.
You sure you're not gonna have anything
No,
else
I
on you?
don't have
Well, I don't want you to
anything.
see you getting in trouble.
You do. That's exactly what you want.
Me?
Yes.
No. Why would I want to see that?
Look at you guys. Every day.
The other side.
This is ridiculous. So yeah, you did. For whatever reason. Work on the street,
Hold on.
I guess.
Word on the street. What is word on the street?
Apparently.
Have a seat. Watch your head.
Yeah. What's up?
What's up? We also need a female to search her too. Tammy, nothing illegal on you, do you?
No.
I just like to get plenty of
No.
opportunities.
No.
It's an enhancement. After you, good sir. Sorry.
Tamara Browning was arrested and charged with 2 misdemeanor counts of possession of a controlled substance. Her bond was set at $1,390. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.